I had then I heard boo, 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 and I said, who is that? I said, oh, Louis is coughing. I said, so I took Probio C and mixed it with water and said, Genome. Yeah, I didn't know. He said, no. That was yesterday. Or day before yesterday. Today when I asked, are you coughing? He said, no. Somebody who had been coughing even after going to hospital, cough mixture. I gave just one drink of Probio C. The following day, cough gone. So Probio C is very good. It's very good. I have it all the time. I've run out, so I'll get one. So